Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today is neutral. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you'll check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and also check out the hashtag Junk Journal January. I have it listed in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, I hope everybody's doing good. I am doing great. Okay, well, black and white is a neutral. And this just happened to be the page that I came upon. So I want to use it. It's got a little bit of yellow in it, but I think it's so close to a beigey looking yellow that I can get away with using it as a neutral. So I have these die cuts, and I have these neutral, like I say, neutral looking butterflies. This one has just the least bit of blue in it, but it's such a pale blue, you really can. It's not like a bright. So I like that, you know, with this. So let's see what we can do with it. All right, first in my background, I want to lay out my flowers, my die cuts, and see how I want to do that. Maybe something like that. Got that. And I'm thinking that I want him, let's see how I want to do this. Maybe like this. And put this there. And I want him kind of like riding the butterfly. Like he's sitting on the butterfly. Because I like that. And I can kind of move that to where it's like he's in the foliage. Okay, so first of all, let me get him attached. I had to be careful about how I placed him for sure. I don't want to get knocked off because of X-rated. So I'm going to have him kind of low down there. Okay, and let me there we go. So he is ready to go. And these will go on the bottom. So let me get them down. Like I said, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. Trying to get a little bit ahead. So I've been doing the Junk Journal January last week, you know, trying to get back in the groove of things after the holidays. But I didn't, except for Marguerite Miller, I didn't do any other videos. So this week I want to do some other videos. Now, I did have I'd started the full deck challenge with Shinoki Art. And it should be up by the time you see this. And I'm not sure if I have another one up. I know that my sons gave me some books for Christmas, some collage books. I got two of, I think it's the Marry Me art books, and collage soup, and I wanted to show those. And I'm going to put that there. do a flip through. That way, if you know whether you want to purchase them, they have some beautiful images. And I love the collage soup. I like all of those. My sons did right by me for sure. Okay. Now, kind of put him there, kind of flying along. So let me get him down. I use neutrals a lot, but I don't do whole collages in neutrals. It's kind of fun. I think part of the key is to add just a little bit of color. I totally covered up that one, didn't I? Let's see if I can come down a little bit. There we go. I think that's better. Like he's got his feet resting on that line. And we can kind of, like he's sitting in the, amongst the leaves and foliage. And this one. I like that. And maybe we can have butterflies. I don't know. Kind of. Maybe something like that. Why not? And this one. And now I just want to draw some antenna. And I think I just want to kind of go around him a little bit. Help him pop out just a tad. You can use a Stabilo also to do this. All right. Now, I am going to add Some gold splatters. Although first, I may do just a little bit of the white, make the white pop. See if that'll. I like that. Get this side. Of course, now my pen wants to quit writing. I don't know what the deal is. I have the worst time. Why it quit? It was doing great. Let me see. Let me grab it. Just I like the gel pen better. And I'm just gonna like that. Oh, I wished my pen would write. Oh, I think it started. Yay. Maybe it is tired, needed a rest. All right, and let's go for the gold splatters. All right, we'll call this one done. So number 15, neutral. I do need to stamp. I think I'll stamp right there. Okay. 15 neutral. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. There's some very talented people there. So until next time, bye y'all.